How to add passwords to Google Password Manager. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to save your passwords. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, click Autofill and Passwords, followed by Google Password Manager. Once you're in Google Password Manager, click Settings if needed, then select Add or Add Password. If you don't see this option, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Now, enter the website address, username or email, and password for the account you want to save. After you've filled in all the details, click Save. Your login information will now be securely stored in Google Password Manager and can be used for autofill whenever you sign into that website. That's it. You've successfully added a password manually to Google Password Manager. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tips, password management guides, and easy tech tutorials.